customer success is the client's realization of the magnitude of change that Jovix has had on the project, or more wholly on the industry. My largest feat of customer success was on a recent project, actually, when the clients were surveyed about whether they would use Jovix or not on the next project. A construction manager mentioned that it wasn't a question of whether to use Jovix or not. He said that not utilizing the technology would handicap the company, and it gives leverage to their competition. That to me felt like success.
For our data team, customer success day to day is ensuring accurate, timely data across the enterprise and data continuity from procurement to engineering to construction.
Customer success to me is when a client is able to efficiently use Jovix and see tangible gains from their utilization of the tool. Right? So change for the sake of change isn't really what we're after. In reality, we want to push the boundary of that change and help clients see work more efficiently and maintain schedule integrity on their projects. Customer success, honestly, is that aha moment when a client is able to confidently say, we couldn't have done this without Jovix. Whether that's with material track and trace or work package statusing or material inspections, it always looks a little different on each project, but it always ends with the client and customers seeing the benefit of that change they've been advocating for.
Success to me looks like working with our clients to outline their requirements and their objectives for how they want to implement our software. I think it's a process that requires achieving the shared goals from both teams.
We work in a dynamic world full of constant change and demand. Our professional ability to proactively identify risk and opportunity while planning and communicating areas to bridge and improve with our customers in advance of executing the work helps set us and our customers up for mutual long-term success.
Success includes working closely with our customers and project teams to build and deploy various integrations and helping to ensure day to day that the user's data is where it's supposed to be, when it's supposed to be. And if any issues arise, we work to resolve these things quickly to minimize any disruption inside.
I think we make a difference on the job site by being able to provide RFID system experience and also to provide insight from our own various experience with many varying projects to challenge a lot of the common and current industry issues.
Atlas makes a difference on a job site through our professional approach and wealth of industry knowledge that we've accumulated. After being on projects around the globe and seeing the issues and resolutions firsthand that clients are facing, Atlas is able to bring experience and knowledge to the whole materials management process. From upstream supplier tagging to on-site material controls and chain of custody throughout, we're able to be that single source partner to help manage it all. I've personally been on 15 projects across 3 different continents, and that's just me. When we add up everyone in our customer success department collectively, we've seen it all and know how to help clients develop strategies and get wins. That's the big difference that we bring to a project when a client chooses to deploy Jovix.
Being on the job site means we have the agility to act upon areas where we can have an impact in preserving the integrity of the construction schedule. With the information collected and available in Jovix, I was able to develop a program to provide material readiness and report on non-standard material allocations to assist with change management and gain time on the project schedule. This resulted in no unnecessary repurchase of material and maintained production.
Customer success is a little different on every site. That's why it's something we work hard right at the beginning to define with the clients. To me, success isn't really about what I see, it's about what I don't see. I don't want to see that old packing slip that's been rained on, a few pen markings show up during a supplier debate. I don't want to see crafts sitting around waiting on materials. And I don't want to see anyone wandering around a yard looking for a piece of material they should have been able to find in seconds. Everything you do on a job site is working towards those hectic last 6 months where everyone needs everything right now. And success to me is when that goes smoothly.
I bring clients about half a decade experience implementing Jovix on projects around the world. And that ranges from the biggest construction mega projects in oil and gas to nuclear power and petrochem. Now, the Atlas operations team is full of experienced professionals with very similar accolades. And together we leave this global footprint, and we contribute to redefining the status quo in our industry.